If you care about your friends, family, or loved ones, please don't allow this to happen. The use of a traditional ladder can lead to falls, loss of balance, or accidents such as these. With our revolutionary patented design, you'll see how you can safely climb a ladder and avoid such injuries. Please let me show you how. The Elevadder is a new state-of-the-art product designed to help you reach new heights. The purpose is to free your hands and complete your desired task without compensating your safety. Aluminum lightweight material for easy maneuvering and assembly. Getting to those hard to reach spots will be much more feasible. The lift glides smoothly up and down extension ladders thanks to over 30 uniquely designed groove bearing wheels. This allows for a flawless transition along the length of the ladder. The stability base, an added accessory, provides exceptional support to allow for both lift and traditional ladder use without risking falls from tipping over. Our number one priority is the safety of the user. Whether it be construction, painters, solar paneling, roofing, or personal use, you'll benefit from the safety provided by these innovative designs. With the use of our patented products, you'll keep your employees, friends, and loved ones safe from unnecessary risk and injury. Make this your cure to ladder anxiety.